in this video we are going to see example 5.8. Here we are going to illustrate that SCAS similarity. What is the meaning SCAS similarity? Side, angle, side similarity. Okay. So see the sum. If A is the midpoint of RU and B is the midpoint of RN, prove that triangle RAT is similar to triangle RUN. So here they given one triangle is RUN and another triangle is in between that RAT. So they given that A is the midpoint of RU. So this A is midpoint of RU now. Then AR is equal to A2. Am I right? So A is the midpoint of RU means then length of A2 is equal to length of AR. Then and T is the midpoint of Rn. Then C is the midpoint of Rn. Then automatically RT is equal to TL. Okay. Let's see. We are going to prove triangle RAT is similar to triangle RUN. Say this angle ART equal to angle URN because R is a common angle for both the triangles RAT and RUN. See this. So RAT, this is the smaller triangle. Imagine this one is the bigger triangle. Okay, big triangle like this. So this point should be RUN and RAT have common angle for the both triangles. So angle ART equal to angle URN. Angle R is common in triangles RAT and RUN. Next, they given RA is equal to AU because A is the midpoint of RU. Then RA equal to AU. Then you can write it as 1 by 2 RU. So in this RU, half of that RU is AU. Am I right? So you can write 1 by 2 RU because A is the midpoint of RU. Next, RT equal to TL equal to 1 by 2 RN. How we are writing? T is the midpoint of RN, so that RT equal to TN equal to, so half of that whole length RN. So you can write 1 by 2 RN since T is the midpoint of RN. Okay, then divide this RA by RU. Take these two. See here, RA equal to 1 by 2 RU. I am sending this RU to the left hand side and get RA by RU equal to, here I have 1 by 2. Okay, so this is one step. Next, again, take these two. RT equal to 1 by 2 RN. Send this RN to the left hand side and I will get RT by RN equal to 1 by 2. That only they write RA by RU equal to RT by RN equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so the sides are proportional. From 2 and 3 we are writing this. So here the sides are in proportional. Am I right? Here the angle is equal and here the sides are in proportional by SCAS similarity. That is side, angle, side similarity. We can prove that triangle RAT is similar to triangle RUN. Did you understand this? Shall we move on to next sum? See the next example 5.9 illustrating SSS similarity, that is side similarity. Okay. Prove that triangle PQR is similar to triangle PRS in the given figure. So here the given upon figure we are going to prove triangle PQR is similar to triangle PRS. So I drawn separately that PQR and PRS. Okay, PQR and PRS separately. So we are going to find the ratio of their sides. Okay. So see, first one, consider PQ by PR. So what is the length of PQ? PQ is 20. PR is 15. So 20 by 15. Cancel this. 5 4s are 5 3s are. You will get 4 by 3. So PQ divided by PR you got as 4 by 3. So next, PR by PS equal to, what is PR? Take this one. PR is 15 centimeter and PS is 11.25 centimeter. So for divide this, we have to decimal point in the denominator, So how many decimals are there? 2 decimals. So So 12 by 9 cancel 3 table. 3 4s are 3 3s are will get 4 by 3. Here we got PQ by PR equal to 4 by 3 and PR by PS equal to 4 by 3 and also QR by RS is also 4 by 3. They are in proportion, that is PQ by PR equal to PR by PS equal to QR by RS, which is equal to 4 by 3. Okay, so their corresponding sides are in proportion. By side similarity, triangle PQR is similar to triangle PRS. Did you understand? Move on to next sum. Example 5.10 illustrating RHS. What is meant by RHS? Right angle, hypotenuse, side similarity. So the height of a man and his shadow form a triangle. So here one triangle is formed by the height of the man and his shadow form a triangle. Similar to that formed by a nearby tree and its shadow. So this triangle, the triangle made by a man, is similar to that formed by a tree, nearby tree and its shadow, both are similar. So what is the height of the tree, they ask. So we are going to find height of the tree. Okay, see this figure, they given this. So imagine this is the tree. ED is the height of the tree and BC is the height of the man and AC is the shadow of the man and AE is the shadow of the tree. Okay, now see, given that the height of the man and his shadow form a triangle, similar to that form a nearby tree and its shadow. So let's see, and E be the position of man and tree. So C be the position of man and E be the position of tree. Then CB is the height of man and ED is the height of the tree. Okay, CB and ED are the height of the man and tree respectively. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. Both are similar, they given you know. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle DAE. They given in the sum itself. The corresponding side should be proportional. If the two triangles are similar, then the corresponding sides are in proportional. So we are taking that corresponding sides. What are they? That is, if you take AB now, in this triangle AD. So write separately. This B, C, A, and one that big triangle formed by the tree. This one A, E, D. Okay, now see. AC by AE, that is AC, we are taking that base. AC by AE equal to BC by DE equal to, see that AB by DA or AD. Okay, now what we need? DE value only, the height of the tree only we need. So where we have DE, so take these two. Then we can able to find DE. So AC by AE, see this? AC by AE equal to BC by DE. Why you are taking this now? We are going to find the height of the tree, that is nothing but DE value. Okay, now substitute. What is AC in this figure? AC is 12 feet. So 12 by AE is 96. So 12 by 96 equal to BC is 5. ED we don't know, we are going to find. So write as it is that DE. Okay, so cancel this. So cross multiply. 12 into DE equal to 5 into 96. Send this 12 to the right hand side. We will get DE equal to 5 into 96 divided by 12. Cancel this. 12 ones are 12, 8s are. So DE equal to 5 into 8 we get 40. So the height of the tree is, they given the sum in feet, you know. So you have to write the units as feet. Therefore the height of the tree is 40 feet. So did you understand the sums? See exercise sum, exercise 5.1, third one. In the given figure, AC is congruent to AD and angle CBD is congruent to angle DEC. Prove that triangle BCF is congruent to triangle EDF. So do 1 and 2 as homework. Okay. Next. So first, they given one figure, we have A, C, D, one triangle. Between that we have small triangles. They given AC is congruent to AD. AC this one is congruent to AD. Congruent means both are equal. That is AC equal to AD. Then one more condition they given. Triangle CBD is congruent to angle CBD is congruent to angle DEC. So CBD this angle is congruent to DEC this angle. Okay, these two angles are equal. We are going to prove BCF. This triangle BCF triangle is congruent to EDF this triangle. Okay, see this statements. Angle BCF equal to angle EFD. BCF equal to EFD. So BCF equal to EFD. Now here vertically opposite angles are equal. That is BFC. Not BCF, BFC. So BFC is equal to EFD because vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, so these two are vertically opposite angles. Then angle CBD equal to angle DEC. Given sum itself they given angle CBD equal to angle DEC. Next one. So here two angles are congruent to this two. This B is equal to E and this F and this also is equal. Now automatically the third angle will be equal to this. You know that is BCF is equal to EDF. So third angle also equal. But only here the angle BCF equal to angle EDF. Remaining angles of triangle BCF and angle EDF. So consider this two triangle BFC and EFB. Three angles are equal to the corresponding three angles. So you can by what similarity you can use here na angle similarity. Three angles are equal to the corresponding three angles. You know. So you can use angle similarity. Therefore triangle BCF is congruent to triangle EDF by 1 and 2. That is first one is both triangles are equal. That is angle BFC equal to angle BFD. Angle CBD equal to angle DEC. You can say that triangle BCF is congruent to triangle EDF by angle criteria. Already I told if two angles of a triangle is equal to the two angles of another triangle, definitely the third angle will be also equal. You can write AAA triangle instead of that you can write angle criteria like this. Okay, you understand this?